learning about tech.
Hey everyone, this is Jay Lewis coming at you from Tech Boner, and I have a little case unboxing and hands-on. The first one's going to be the Unicorn Beetle. The second one is going to be the Unicorn Beetle Pro from Supcase. Let's just take a look at this one to see what it says. It says perfect gripping, scratch resistant, shock resistant, dual layer, and accurate cutouts. So let's look at this one first. Has a simple unboxing. I like the little sticker right here. And we have a clear case with the polycarbonate on the outside, and there's a hard plastic on the inside. And let's see what it looks like on this baby right here, the OnePlus 7 Pro. So let's see what it looks like on the phone. Goes on really easy. Let's see about the power button. The power button has a little texture, and it has a cutout for the slider, the mute to sound slider. Let's see how that works. You can get in there. It's a little difficult to get in there. Let's see. Let's use a natural motion. Yeah, that's a little better. The switches work properly. And you have an up and down for the volume rocker. Is a positive and negative. Let's see. It's clicky. It works easy. The bottom has a cutout for the speaker, for the mic, for the USB. It has enough lip on there. I think this will be really nice. I didn't take the plastic off of it, but as you can see, you got that clear look, and it really makes let you see the beauty of the OnePlus 7 Pro. I really love this color. I really love this phone. I'm digging it. Okay. Also, what I like about this case, as you can see the cutout is nicely recessed in there. Just check the pop-up camera. That's a go. It comes out very easily. Now this case is more like my style. It's kind of minimal. It has good protection. It has a decent lip. I really like this. It has a really good feel. It doesn't add too much bulk, but it keeps the phone protected. It's really nice. I really like this case. Again, I got this from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. I'll also get the price on this. I don't remember the price on this, but this will work. Let's take that off, and let's check out the Unicorn Beetle Pro. It also says perfect grip, 360-degree protection, shock resistant, multi-layer design, and a belt clip holster. So let's check this one out. This one is a big boy. I don't usually do these cases that's really bulky like that, but I just thought I'll give it a shot. Okay. And this kind of has a built-in screen protector, but I'm going to leave that on for now because I don't know if I'm going to keep this, but I like to, you know what, let's take this off and check it out. I want to get the full look of it. Okay, so I'm assuming this goes something like this. Okay, I got it now. Well, this is a big boy, and I really like this. This is kind of a really rugged style case. Again, we have up and down volume rockers. Really clicky. Don't have to give too much pressure. The power works fine. You have a cover for the slider, so that might be a little issue getting in there and sliding it. That would be my only issue with this slider, so deeply recessed in there. Okay, I forgot to check this out. Let me see how does the camera pop up, come up. Comes up really easily. That'll work. And let me see what we have here. Okay, we have a kickstand, and that's what piqued my interest in this case. There you go. That'll work. So we have these two cases. Again, it's the Unicorn Beetle. Is a Supcase. I got these from Amazon. I'll leave the link up in the description in regards to the price. Well, let me just try this last piece. You got the clip. I don't really use these, but it's here. So you got that case. So if you do construction or any kind of job that you really need to protect your investment, this is a really cool case. I really like this. It's kind of too bulky for me. I may not use that, but I will definitely use that kickstand. That kickstand will work. Okay, let's just take another quick look. I'm going to cut away. I'm going to clean this up, and I'm look at it a little bit more in depth. Also, what I like about this case, you can see it has a great cutout for the camera. It's really recessed, so you don't have to worry about when you put the phone down, your camera being bothered. The same thing with the front. Even though we have this curved design in the OnePlus 7 Pro, the top lip and the bottom lip, the phone is not even touching the table, so you have that protection. So with this case, I'm really liking it. I thought maybe I wouldn't want to keep this, but you know what? I think this will be a good case. But like I said before, thank you for watching, and I will ask you to please support my channel. Please hit the subscribe button. Also, if you can, hit the bell icon so you can watch out for more videos. Thanks for watching, and everyone be safe and have a blessed day. Thank you.